We are Tropicfeel, and we are here to define a new era of packing. Creators of the ultimate travel shoe, we launched here on Kickstarter, becoming the world's most funded shoe ever. Twice. 250,000 shoes in 142 countries later, we asked you, our backers, well, what's next? Which product should we revolutionize to suit modern-day travelers' needs? And just like that, we set on a journey to create the ultimate backpack. It's called Shell, and it will always have your back. From your day-to-day commute, to your weekend getaway, and your travel adventures. To achieve this, we've listened to you. Ranging from 22 liters when compressed to 40 liters when expanded, Shell offers next-level features. Superior organization, space optimization, accessibility at a glance, and maximum comfort. And only for our Kickstarter family, lifetime warranty. So it's the only backpack you'll ever need. Inspired by modern-day travelers' lives, Shell will be a part of your journey and let you feel at home when you're away. Because life's a journey to be enjoyed. Shell is a mix of a travel backpack and an urban daily bag. It's made for your digital life with protected compartments for your laptop and accessories. The design pouch for smaller gadgets is detachable for extra comfort. When you're going traveling, Shell turns into something completely different. Its wardrobe system allows you to pack much more than seems possible. With dedicated shelves and compartments to stay organized. It condenses your clothes to get up to 20% more space. It has an extra kangaroo pocket for the things that you want to keep separate. And you can even add more with the cargo straps. So you're ready for your next big adventure. When you're out traveling, you'll enjoy the accessibility Shell offers. It can open like a clamshell, so you can see everything at a glance. The wardrobe hangs anywhere for a portable closet. And you can use it like a day pack with top access. Got to your new spot? Unpack and get ready in no time. Detach and hang the toiletry to feel right at home. Shell can carry like a suitcase. And if you're into photography, Shell's got you covered with a special cube for your gear. When you're hiking, you'll appreciate the ergonomic back panel with extra support. Plus, it has waist and chest straps and a convenient offload mechanism. Shell is made from waterproof materials and sealed YKK zippers. And it's made sustainably using premium recycled polyester and nylon. So whether it's your day-to-day, your weekend getaway, or your life's biggest journey, Shell is the best companion. Take it wherever life takes you.